Hello students, welcome to this video. In this video I am going to teach about chapter 2 from the geography portion, that is inside our earth, and this video is for class 7 students. And in this video we will discuss about the structure of the earth, different layers of the earth, and the different types of rocks, different types of rocks with the examples, and rock cycle in detail. So let's begin the chapter. Do you know that what is the age of our earth? The age of our earth is about 460 crore years. Yes, this is the age of our earth. And with the passage of time, with so many important changes occurred, major changes took place inside the earth, and we still have very less amount of information because of high temperature, means that is near about 5000 degree Celsius. Means this is the approximate temperature near the center of the earth. So we have whatever information we have now, that is from the earthquake waves. Earthquake waves and the density of the material. With the help of earthquake waves and the density of material, we have less amount of information, and the person who study about the earth is known as geologist. Those who study about the earth, that is called geologist, and the study of the earth is known as geology. So and we have the information only up to the depth of 2900 kilometers. Just imagine this is the surface of the earth, and up to the depth of 2900 kilometers we have information about only up to this distance. And do you know that the weight of per cubic centimeter, that means this part of this rocky part of the earth, 1 centimeter, just this is the distance, length, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, means the weight of this part of the earth is about 5.5 gram. The next topic is structure of the earth. Structure of the earth. On the basis of varying density and the chemical and physical properties of the rocks, the structure of the earth is divided between 3 concentric layers. First is crust, second is mantle, and third one is core. Concentric layer means just like this. Suppose that this is Earth. From the outer side, that is this is crust, this one is mantle, and this is core. And we have very less information about the core because the temperature, as I told you, that is near about 5000 degree 5000 degree Celsius. First we will discuss about the features of crust. It is very thin layer. Among all the layers, the crust is very thin layer. And the topmost means the upper part of the crust. Just imagine that this is the layer. Crust is up to 40 kilometer. The upper layer up to the 35, that is continental crust. Continental crust, and this 5 kilometer means, and this is 35 kilometer. Up to the topmost layer, from this topmost layer to the depth of 35 kilometer, that is called continental crust. And last 5 kilometer is known as the oceanic crust. So the crust is divided between two parts, up to 35 continental crust and up to last 5 kilometer is oceanic crust. The continental crust is made up of silica and alumina, and in short we call it SI. SI for silica and Al for alumina. Next feature is, and this is the part of the continental crust, and the oceanic crust is made up of silica and magnesium, that is सीमा. ये इससे बना हुआ है. इसको दो पार्ट में क्या है, ये सिलिका, that is Si and Ma for magnesium. Continental crust is made up of Cl, silica and alumina से बना है, and oceanic crust is made up of सीमा, that is silica and magnesium. The next topic is, the next point is the average density of the crust is about 3.0 gram per cubic centimeter. Means, just imagine that this is the topmost layer and the part of, just I have told you about the cubic centimeter, means the weight of this portion of the earth in this part, in crust part, that is about 3.0 gram. Means एक क्यूबिक सेंटीमीटर का वेट जो है वो 3 ग्राम है, 3.0 ग्राम. The outer crust has soil. It also provide with the most of minerals. Means जो upper part है, it provides soil. It is made up of soil. ना, इसमें बहुत सारे minerals होते हैं. So I hope that the crust part, this point is clear now. Now The second point is mantle. Just beneath the crust is a 2900 kilometer thick a layer called the mantle. Just imagine this is 40 kilometer and up to the depth of 2900 kilometer. 2900 kilometer. ये तो हो गया crust, this one, and up to the depth of यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक, that is 2900 kilometer. Means the thickness of the mantle is about 2900 kilometer. It lies between the crust and the core. इसके नीचे क्या आता है? इसके नीचे core आ जाता है. That is the central part of the earth. It is made up of dense and heavy materials such as iron and magnesium. Iron and magnesium are found in this layer. The average density ranges between the 3.5 gram to 5.5 gram per cubic centimeter. Just I have told you about the density of 1 cubic, means the weight of this part in this layer, that is ranges between 2 5.5 ग्राम. मीन्स यहाँ से 3.5 ग्राम से लेकर के इसका कितना होता है? 5.5 ग्राम तक रहता है. एंड द टेम्परेचर इज वेरी हाई. मीन्स एज वी go towards the center, the temperature increases. So the temperature of this part is much higher than in comparison to the temperature of this part. यहाँ से टेम्परेचर जो है, इसका टेम्परेचर इसके टेम्परेचर से बहुत ज़्यादा है. The temperature in the mantle is very high and magma is found in this layer. इसमें magma भी पाया जाता है. Now let's go. That is the central part of the earth. And ये तीनों में से सबसे कम इंफॉर्मेशन हमारे पास इसी पार्ट का है, क्योंकि ये पार्ट पे टेम्परेचर इतना ज़्यादा है कि यहाँ से कोई भी इंफॉर्मेशन कलेक्ट करना दैट इज़ वेरी डिफिकल्ट टास्क. The core lies below the mantle around the center of the earth. It is called the barysphere. इसको क्या कहते हैं? barysphere भी कहते हैं. That is the central part of the earth. ये earth के center में है. And the average radius of the core is about 3500 kilometer. That is the thickness. Means it is a central part. और इसके सेंटर से जब ये जाएगा मेंटल के इनर लेयर पर, तो इसका जो रेडियस है वो कितना हो जाएगा? 3500 किलोमीटर. इसके ऊपर 2900 किलोमीटर तक क्या है? दैट इज मेंटल. एंड उसके 40 किलोमीटर तक क्या है? दैट इज क्रस्ट. है ना? ये 40 किलोमीटर है. Now it is clear that the thickness of the crust is 40 kilometer. The thickness of the mantle is about 2900 kilometer, and the thickness of the core is about 3500 kilometer. It is made up of heavy metals such as nickel and iron. Therefore, it is also known as knife. Ni stand for nickel and Fe stand for iron. It is made up of nickel and iron. And nickel and iron, and it is also called the knife. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Knife बोलते हैं. Ni for nickel and Fe for, this is the chemical formula of iron, that is ferrous. इसको क्या कहते हैं? फेरस कहते हैं. तो फेरस का Fe एंड निकल का Ni है ना. कोर जो होता है वो इसी से बना होता है. द टेम्परेचर ऑफ दिस लेयर वेरीज बिटवीन द 2200 सेल्सियस. इसका टेम्परेचर कितना है? अबाउट 2200 डिग्री सेल्सियस टू 5000 degree Celsius. Temperature is very high, so we have very little information about it. The average density ranges between the 5.0 gram to 13.0 gram per cubic centimeter. And this part again per cubic, इसका जो वेट होगा है ना, this part, the weight of this portion of the core part, ये जो होगा वो होगा 5.0 ग्राम से लेकर to 13.0 ग्राम तक. Why the weight is higher in this part? Because as I told you that in depth है ना, डेंसिटी ऑफ मटेरियल इंक्रीजेस टुवर्ड्स द डेप्थ ऑफ द सेंटर. जैसे जैसे नीचे का पार्ट के डेंसिटी को देखा जाएगा, मेजर किया जाएगा, तो वो डेंसिटी जो है वो इंक्रीज करता चला जाएगा है ना. एंड दिस इज बिकॉज ऑफ द हीट एंड प्रेशर. हीट और प्रेशर उस पार्ट पे इतना ज़्यादा है कि उसकी जो डेंसिटी है वो काफ़ी हाई है. Next topic is materials of the earth crust. The lithosphere is made up of rocks and minerals. Lithosphere, that is the land part of the earth. It is made up of different types of rocks and minerals. Rocks and minerals. Rocks are those material which obtain from the earth crust, and they include not only the hard materials such as granite, marble, but also soft and loose material such as chalk, clay, sand and salt. Means rock जो है उसमें सिर्फ ग्रेनाइट और मार्बल ही नहीं होता है, दैट इज़ वेरी हार्ड रॉक. उसके साथ इसमें क्या इंक्लूडेड होता है? सॉफ्ट एंड लूज मटेरियल सच एज चॉक, क्ले एंड सॉल्ट ऑल्सो. ये सारे भी चीज़ इसमें इंक्लूडेड होते हैं. रॉक्स आर मेड अप ऑफ मिनरल्स. दे डू नॉट पोजेस डेफिनेट केमिकल कंपोजिशन. मीन्स इसका जो केमिकल कंपोजिशन होता है ना, you will study in science also, the chemical composition of rocks is not equal है ना, फिक्स्ड नहीं है ना everywhere. Minerals are naturally occurring substances present in the rock, and these are solid substances which have definite chemical composition. Minerals का chemical composition fix होता है, but rock का नहीं होता है. And a rock in which the particular mineral is found in a large percentage is called ore of that mineral. Mining is mostly done in those area where ores occur. It means that कि rock है, rock में कोई भी mineral अगर large quantities में है, mineral की chemical composition, in mineral chemical composition is fixed. That means mineral is pure substance, but rock chemical composition is not fixed. Is not fixed. So it is impure substance. इस रॉक में ही अगर कोई मिनरल लार्ज क्वांटिटी में है, अगर किसी रॉक में मिनरल लार्ज क्वांटिटी में है तो उस रॉक को क्या कहेंगे? ओर ऑफ दैट मिनरल, है ना. कोई भी मिनरल अगर इसमें ज़्यादा क्वांटिटी में पाया जा रहा है ना, तो उसको क्या कहेंगे? ओर कहेंगे. और विद द हेल्प ऑफ माइनिंग वी कैन एक्सट्रैक्ट दैट मिनरल फ्रॉम रॉक, है ना. उसमें से उस मिनरल को, उस रॉकी पार्ट से मिनरल को निकाल लिया जाता है विद द हेल्प ऑफ माइनिंग प्रोसेस के थ्रू. So in this part, this is a part 1 of the video. In this part we have discussed all these things, and in next part we will discuss from the types of the rock and go through the chapter and go through all these topics, that is structure of the earth, crust, mantle, core, materials of the earth crust, that is rock and mineral, what is the difference between rock and mineral, and means all those things which is given in your book. And in next part we will continue with the next topic, that is types of rock. And till then, take care.